So one of the most frequent questions I get is, can I help a buyer buy a bank-owned foreclosure because of the perception, especially with the high cost of property in Westchester and the surrounding counties, the perception that bank-owned foreclosures are a good bargain is certainly out there, and in many instances that is in fact the case. But that doesn't mean there aren't a few things that you need to educate yourself about, and this is one of those things. In most sales, typically, there is a New York State transfer tax that the seller pays at closing, and that is calculated at $4 per thousand for any property that sells below $1 million in the state of New York. Now, with bank-owned foreclosures, I have never seen in hundreds of brokered transactions the bank ever uh, negotiate this, and that is all listings that are bank-owned foreclosures are going to say that the buyer is responsible for the New York State transfer tax. Now, to do the math real quick, if you get this property for like $100,000 less than the typical median sales price for a home in Westchester County, let's just say it's $900,000 for round figures, you get the property for $800,000. Your New York State transfer tax that you are paying, not the seller, you are paying, is going to be $3,200. And you want to let your loan officer know so that your good faith estimate, your closing costs, and all of your financial good faith estimates will be accurate and your expectations can be managed with accurate numbers. This is not something that any institution selling a bank-owned foreclosure will negotiate on. I've never seen them haggle, if only for the fact that there are probably competing offers that would be dying to leapfrog over you for that extra $3,200. It's the cost of doing business. So let your loan officer know, let your wallet know, be advised. If you are going to buy a bank-owned foreclosure in Westchester or the surrounding counties, you're paying the New York State transfer tax, and that is going to be on your side of the ledger. If you have any further questions about this or any other real estate or housing matter in Westchester or the surrounding counties, I am happy to schedule a confidential and no obligation consultation for you to get you the answers you need. We are here to help.